To begin resolving an issue with your Roku remote, first we must identify which kind of Roku remote you have. To do this, open the battery compartment. If you see a pairing button, you have an enhanced remote. If not, it's a standard remote. With either remote, before we do anything, make sure you have a fresh set of batteries and that they are seated properly in the remote. Your standard remote must be pointed directly at your Roku device when pressing buttons. This means there can't be any obstructions between your remote and the front of your Roku device. Make sure your player isn't hidden behind your TV or shut in a cabinet. If your player is mounted with an adhesive strip, make sure the front of the player is facing you. And if you're using a Roku streaming stick and running into remote issues, we offer a free HDMI extender cable which can improve remote performance. Go to roku.com/HDMI to order yours. Enhanced remotes must be paired to your Roku device. To do that, first unplug your Roku device and remove the batteries from your enhanced remote. Now, plug your Roku device back in and turn it on. Once you see the Roku logo fill your screen, place the batteries back in the remote and wait for the remote pairing screen. If you see this screen, press and hold the pairing button on the remote until the green light starts to flash, usually about 5 seconds. This screen means success. Your enhanced remote is paired to your Roku device and you're all set and ready to stream. If you're still having issues with your remote, don't worry, we've got a few more tricks up our sleeve at go.roku.com/remote help. And if you need further help, please visit support.roku.com.